My partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few AirBnBs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm KingDeano, and on this episode I'm taking you into Aldi. I've done many of episodes like these. They've just dropped a whole heap of camping stuff and some really new awesome stuff, so I'm going to take you and show it to you. Now with Aldi, you only got a week to get in and pretty much get it, and sometimes you might have to shop at a few different ones to be able to get the stuff. So anyway, let's go in and take a look. So first of all, I found this table. It folds in half. It weighs 4.5 kilos, so a light table, holds 30 kilos. It's not like you're going to sleep on it. $34.99, not too bad. And compacts down nice, thin and flat. Then I found this. They only had one of these. It looks like it's a barbecue you connect gas up to. Comes with a carry case. But if you wanted something small you could take away with you, but remember you got to still take a gas bottle with you. But I've never seen one of these at the actual Aldi. But anyway, that one is $200. Probably more on the pricey end of Aldi stuff. Then I found gazebos. So they had a gazebo there. It was in a really handy pack, so you can see the measurements and things there. But it actually had wheels, so sometimes these things can be quite heavy. So at least if you can wheel along, it had really stable handles, 2 handles, so you can carry it easy. $99.99, pretty good price, so I don't think that's a bad buy. Now, I don't remember seeing these at Aldi last time. So the first one I showed you had 2 panels. This has got the 3 panels. So it's a lot longer. So if you've got a bigger family or you want more room to prepare food, this is a better idea. Still nice and thin and flat, and $41.99 and quite lightweight. Now this would be fun in summer. Adam and I have been toying with the idea of getting some of these for a long time. Not that I brought it, because I've got to talk about with Adam. It takes 2 people, plus it's 160 kilos it holds. So I might have to lose a few kilos before I can hop on this one. With Adam, that is. And it comes with a cover and a pump. So it's got everything you need and a really good price at $149. Okay, do I need to explain anything with this? It's summer, there's bugs out there, bug zapper. These are all the details of it. So if you're looking for something like this, and it's a bit larger, so we'll do a bigger area for you. It even has a little charger on top for the sun to charge it during the day for you. And it's $49.99. Okay, now I'm excited. This is something I wanted for such a long time. I missed out the first time I seen them. The second time I saw them, they only had them in black, but I want them in our Jimny green. They're barbecues, so you just put your coals in the top and you cook on it. Very similar if you've seen the episodes where I have my cardboard barbecues. I know it sounds a bit crazy. Go back in my episodes to watch it. But yeah, I want to be able to cook on coals. And this is the most perfect thing, $59.99. And I just can't wait. I'm definitely buying one of these today. I'm not even ringing out of it. I'm just going to get it because I love it. I'll show you in another episode what they're like to use. But I'm pretty excited about this, as you can hear in my voice. And the best part, it folds all up into like a little suitcase. All right, now we've got a 4-pack of lamps. These, I think they take batteries. They've got magnets on them so you can stick them to things. And they change all different colours. They're $49.99. I suppose it'd be good if you had a family or your kids go to bed early, they can take one to bed with them to keep them, illuminated. Or if you need to go out at night and leave one in the tent while you go out to the toilet. So yeah, probably not a bad idea. A lightweight hiking stove. I've seen these at Kmart. They're actually cheaper here. And I've seen them, the expensive ones, the proper brand ones, which are like getting up towards the $200 by the time you buy everything. But yeah, $39.99, the best price I've seen for these. And this is one of their newer products because they've never, I haven't personally seen them in Aldi before. So yeah, if you're into hiking, fantastic thing to grab. Blight mattresses, they're so handy. They've got a queen size one. Look, they're low to the ground, but they do come with the inner pump, so you can pump it up with your foot. It's in there, so you don't have to take another thing away with you. And yeah, $29.99, pretty cheap. Then they had some backpacks. They had two types. They had a little flap over the top, so hopefully your stuff doesn't get wet. And these were pretty reasonable price at $24.99. Camp toaster rack. Not that I've used one of these ones before, but I'm sure it cooks your toast really well. They had a few little random pieces here. I wasn't sure with the pricing. The pricing was a bit squiff with everything that was in this kind of area. But anyway, I'll go through. They had some ropes, some pegs, bright coloured pegs, mozzie net. So that would be cool if you don't like your flies like Adam. So yeah, a couple of random stuff. Now, this one surprised me the most. I wasn't expecting to see a swag here. And it's very different like to our normal swags. It's a bit, I don't know, almost a little bit space age looking. It looks pretty cool. So they had these, all the information's there. If you want to stop and pause it, have a read at the different stats and the size. It says 2 people. Well, I think 2p means 2 people. But $99.99. I think that's pretty reasonable for what they charge for them at other places. So if you're looking to get into camping or just want a swag to throw your kid out in to get them out of the van, this could be a great idea. Compactable buckets. They had a few different types. They had square, circle. So depending on what you want to use it for, if you want to use it for your washing, or even you can sometimes use these for washing baskets and they fold flat, which is good. But $19.99, pretty good price. So again, same as before, air mattress, but it's a single. It does come with the pump built in like the other one we saw, $16.99. Even for at home when you got people staying over, not a bad price, so you could get one of these. Tarps are one of those things you just need to have. You need to have some stashed away because you never know when your roof's going to fall in at home and you need to cover it in. No, I'm joking. But no, tarps, 2-pack for only $9.99. That is so cheap. Now, you know Adam and I, we like a bit of ambience lighting at night if we're outside when we're camping. So you can get this pack of lights for $29.99. They're plastic globes, so you don't have to worry about them smashing. So cute little idea. We had the gazebo before. Now we've got the gazebo walls. Now, I don't remember what size the gazebo was, so I don't know if they match up, but I'm sure they would. I'm only assuming, and you never should assume. But for $19.99, that's not bad. Time to replace that camping chair. They've got them there. Has a drink holder. It also has a little bag that you can put a few extra drinks in there if you're too lazy to go back to the esky. They came in a few different colours, and they are $29.99. Now, if you watch our channel, you're most likely going to have yourself a dog, or you're going to like dogs because we go camping everywhere with our dog. And this is just to keep your seats nice and clean. Not that Adam and I need this because Twyla, we're lucky, she doesn't molt. But if your dog is very shaggy and molts everywhere, this would be the perfect solution. And only at $12.99, you can't beat that. One of Adam's favourite products. They finally got them in. Shoeaways. Adam goes nowhere without one of these. They work amazing, and you can even take them out to restaurants if you're sitting outside. They'll keep those flies away for $15.99. That's pretty cool. What else I got here? Oh yeah, some barbecue. Hey, if you want to baste your turkey for Christmas. But anyway, $14.99. That was a bit random. And then, yeah, mozzie time. So these are great. I definitely want to pick one of these up to keep those mozzies away for $5.49. I think that's how much it was. And bug off, of course. It's summer. Come on, guys. $7.69. That's pretty good, and they're pretty good size too. Lucky last, we've got these beach chairs. Now, I've seen these. I saw these at Bunnings, actually, and they sit up. So once you click them up, they stay up that way. So you can just put these on hot concrete, on sand, anywhere you go, really. So you've got a nice backing to help you sit upright. But you've got the comfort under your bum. And it even comes with a strap so you can pop it over your shoulder for $19.99. All right, guys, I haven't ended up at the discotheque. I'm at home actually getting ready for our New Year's party. It is New Year's morning. I've literally filmed this. I'm getting Adam to put it up straight away. I told you that was our last episode, our one that's out right now, which was the year that was. Definitely go back and watch those, guys. If you haven't seen them, go back and see our year that was, or over the next few days after New Year's when you're chilling out with the family, sit down, watch it. But yeah, I didn't know that Aldi was going to have this product out, and I really want to get it out there. Whenever this stuff happens, this is the episodes that I will be doing to inform you. I ended up getting my barbecue. Oh, that's the wrong way around. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I got my barbecue. There it is. Yay! So in the near future, I will have that probably around February, because we're a few weeks ahead in our episodes. I will road test this and show you how to use it, and I'm sure I'm going to come up with some great recipes. Yeah, so guys, like I said, didn't know this was going to be our last video for the year. This is a surprise video. Surprise! Happy New Year. If you're new to the channel, just found us, definitely go back and check out our last 2 episodes, because that was pretty much our whole year crammed in 2 episodes. We cut them all down to like 2 little-minute videos. So it's a great way to get to know us and our channel and what we're all about. And yeah, definitely go down the bottom and subscribe to our channel. But guys, I hope this helped. If you want these products from Aldi, make sure you get in there straight away and don't give up. If you can't find the one Aldi, another one will have it. I always find that some Aldi sell out everything really quick, and then other Aldis have a fully stocked all the time. So get into your stores now, go get it. This is not a paid promotion. This is literally just me going out there and showing you great products for cheap. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you this Sunday for our very first episode of 2025. How exciting. See you guys.